You better watch window you climbing in, boy, before you almost got blasted on. My neck and my back. Oh, I want out of this. Out of this. Man, why didn't you tell your father to comb his head, man? Look like a bunch of spiders having a meeting on his head.
Playing with my money is like playing with my emotions.
In the kitchen. In a goddamn refrigerator. Eat up all the food.
That's your ass, Mr. Postman.
Man, this nigga crazy. I swear to God, bro. We need to stick together, man. We need to pay him, man.
Either have Mama rent money by today, or somebody's salad getting tossed tonight.
You ain't gotta worry about catching a dog. You gotta worry about a dog catching your ass.
You say you had a gun when you seen it, right? Name one person in the hood who played like that.